Love and Humanities and Social Sciences student at Quezon National High School, a recipient of both Leadership and Academic Excellence Awards. He is also a provincial lead dance world athlete. He was the first runner-up in Mr. Lakan ng Kalikasan 2024, placed in the top 20 of Cosplay 2024, and later on earned the title of King of Cosplay 2025. And he is the reigning Mr. Quezon National High School 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our first judge, Vince Louis Villanueva. Next up, we have our judge number 2. She is a third-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies at Palawan State University, Rojas Campus. Miss Palawan State University was first runner-up, Binibining Test 2024 and Mutiano was 2024. Everyone please welcome Miss Glacy Tiksay Mitiga. Last but not least, our judge number 3. She is a second-year social work student at Palawan State University main campus. Between of Taytay 2019, Miss Puerto Princesa 2020 first runner-up, Mutiano Palawan Tourism 2022, and Mutiano Pilipinas Palawan